let me show you how to make my green bean bundles that you guys are loving. I shared this recipe on Facebook and Instagram and it's going viral, so I figured you might want to see it as well because they are really so delicious. They're sweet, they're caramelized, they're salty, they're the perfect balance of all the things that I love. And you start off by just blanching some green beans in salted boiling water for 3 minutes. After that, you're going to take them out and plunge them into an ice bath just to stop them from cooking any further and keep that green vibrant color. Once that's done, make sure you place them on a paper towel lined plate to absorb any extra moisture. Then in a small bowl, you'll mix together butter, brown sugar, a little soy or Worcestershire sauce. And today I use garlic and herb seasoning, but I also love to use like grated garlic and a little seasoned salt. That is really fantastic. So make sure you add the grated garlic to this and stir that around. Once that's ready, set it to the side and start wrapping your bundles. I take half slices of bacon. You don't need a whole slice for these, so make sure you cut them in half. And then just take a handful of green beans, about 4 or 5 per bundle. Place them on one edge and roll them in the center like that, placing them seam side down on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Once you have them all done, then you can get going on glazing them, if you will. I just want to remind you that these kinds of videos are always in addition to my regular content, not in place of. And since it's the holiday season and you guys are begging me for as much food inspiration as possible, trying to give you what you want. But that means that a lot of these videos will have to be filmed this way so that I can film them myself and share them with you all over socials. So anyway, once they're all done, you're going to spoon that sauce all over. This recipe works with 1 pound of green beans and it makes about 12 bundles. I just made a smaller amount today because there's just 3 of us eating, and that's what worked out. So you're gonna go ahead and spoon that all over, and the recipe for the exact amounts are in the description of this video. Once they're done, place them in a 400-degree oven. They'll take 25 to 30 minutes total, but halfway through, you're going to pull them out, take a pastry brush, and baste that bacon because you want that bacon to really caramelize, and I feel like this makes a big difference in achieving that. Once you brush that glaze all over again, back into the oven for the remainder of cooking. And when they're done, they're caramelized, they're sweet, they're salty, they are fantastic, super easy, and I just know you'll love them. Enjoy.